Introduction to Industry 4.0. What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is a name given to the idea of smart factories where machines are augmented with web connectivity and connected to a system that can visualize the entire production chain and make decisions on its own. The trend is towards automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies, which include cyber-physical systems, CPS, the Internet of Things, IoT, the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, cloud computing and cognitive computing. Industry 4.0 is also referred to as the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution. Industry 1.0, mechanization, steam power, weaving loom. Industry 2.0, mass production, assembly line, electrical energy. Industry 3.0, automation, computer and electronics. Industry 4.0, cyber-physical systems, Internet of Things, IoT, networks. First mechanical loom. 1784. Mechanization by hydro and steam power. First assembly line. 1870. Electrification. First programmable logic controller. 1969. Automation. Industry 4.0. Networking. Main elements of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 contains cyber-physical system, big data, Internet of Things. Famous brands that are currently researching the Industry 4.0. Honeywell, Rockwell, IBM, NEC, Mitsubishi Electric, SAP, Google, Samsung, Microsoft, Hewlett-Packard, Intel, Siemens, Cisco, Oracle, etc. Leading Industry 4.0 vendors 2019. These companies provide hosting, industrial IoT platforms, analytics, microchips, sensors, connectivity hardware, cybersecurity, system integrators. Other Industry 4.0 supporting technologies: additive manufacturing, augmented and virtual reality, collaborative robots, connected machine vision, drone or UFs, self-driving, material transport, vehicles. Industry 4.0 companies that stand out in each category. 1. Hosting, Microsoft. 2. Industrial IoT platforms, Microsoft GE, PTC, and Siemens. 3. Analytics, Uptake. 4. Microchips, NVIDIA. 5. Sensors, Festo. 6. Connectivity hardware, HMS. 7. Cybersecurity, Clarity. 8. Systems integrators, Accenture. 9. Additive manufacturing, General Electric. 10. Augmented and virtual reality, Upskill. 11. Collaborative robots, ABB. 12. Connected machine vision, Cognex. 13. Drones or UAVs, Pink. 14. Self-driving, material transport, vehicles, ClearPath Robotics. 15. Training, Prime Vision Automation Solutions. Who coined Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is the translation of a German term coined by the German government. The phrase refers to the fourth evolution of the manufacturing revolution. While the first three were powered by such advances as mechanization, steam power, the assembly line, and computer automation, the fourth age of the Industrial Revolution involves cyber-physical systems. Cyber-physical systems are a combination of software, sensors, processors, and ICT. Industrial Revolution. The first Industrial Revolution took place in the late 18th century with the mechanization, due to the invention, and application, of the steam engine from James Watt. The Second Industrial Revolution took place in the early 20th century with the setup of the first assembly lines to support the large-scale production of Henry Ford automotive factories. The Third Industrial Revolution is dated mid-20th century, when electronics has been first applied to numeric-controlled machined, NCs or PLCs. The term Industry 4.0 has been introduced by the German government, Industry 4.0, in 2011, at the Hanover Fair. With the ambition of being both the leading supplier and the leading market for Industry 4.0, Germany is trying to leverage on its engineering expertise, Bosch, together with its competences in automation, Siemens, and ERPs, SAP. Components of Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is an abstract and complex term consisting of many components when looking closely into our society and current digital trends. To understand how extensive these components are, here are some contributing digital technologies as examples. Mobile devices, Internet of Things, IoT, platforms, location detection technologies, advanced human-machine interfaces, authentication and fraud detection, 3D printing, smart sensors, big data analytics and advanced algorithms, multilevel customer interaction and customer profiling, augmented reality or wearables, cloud computing. Mainly these technologies can be summarized into four major components, defining the term Industry 4.0 or Smart Factory. Cyber-physical systems, IoT, cloud computing, cognitive computing. Challenges. Challenges in implementation of Industry 4.0. Economic. High economic costs. Business model adaptation. Unclear economic benefits or excessive investment. High uncertainty over its productivity-boosting character. Social. Privacy concerns. Surveillance and distrust. General reluctance to change by stakeholders. Threat of redundancy of the corporate IT department. Loss of many jobs to automatic processes and IT-controlled processes, not only for blue-collar workers but also for white-collar workers. Political. Lack of regulation, standards, and forms of certifications. Unclear legal issues and data security. Organizational or internal. IT security issues, which are greatly aggravated by the inherent need to open up those previously closed production shops. Reliability and stability needed for critical machine-to-machine communication, M2M, including very short and stable latency times. Need to maintain the integrity of production processes. Need to avoid any IT snags, as those would cause expensive production outages. Need to protect industrial know-how, contained also in the control files for the industrial automation gear. Lack of adequate skill sets to expedite the transition towards the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Low top management commitment. Insufficient qualification of employees. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share.